Hey y'all, it's me Marty, and I am in Walmart in Grants, New Mexico, and look what I found. Delta tools. I heard through the grapevine, and I even seen a couple of videos that some Walmarts are carrying Delta tools now. The main brands in Walmart are Hyper Tough and the Heart brand, which is a little bit better. But some of them are carrying Delta, and actually there's a skill saw here too. So that's pretty cool. So I really like the Delta tools, especially the older Delta tools and scroll saws. And they don't have a scroll saw, but they have a table saw here, and they have a miter saw, sliding miter saw. And it's the Shopmaster brand, which is a model of Delta. And yeah, they have a miter saw, a table saw stand, and they even have some blades. Yeah, pretty cool. Look at that, Delta miter saw at Walmart, and a Delta table saw. Now they are the cheaper, more budget ones. What the Shopmaster is, but they still look good, and I really like the Delta brands. But yeah, that's pretty cool to see Delta in Walmart, and they have some saw blades also. It looks like, I'm guessing the Delta miter saw is $199, and the Delta table saw is $199. So $200 for a Delta table saw at Walmart, or $200 for the Delta miter saw. Pretty cool. Now let's just see the scroll saw. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like the Delta brand. Pretty neat to see that here at Walmart.